Our Google Classroom today is all about number recognition, so we're going to be working with the numbers 1 to 20. On each screen, you have a different number, so I'm going to be showing you what to do with the number 3. All of the screens are the same, except you're going to be changing the number value. So in every purple box, it's going to say type it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on my mouse or my keypad, which means 2 times, click, click, and it's going to highlight my question mark. Then I'm going to find the number on my keyboard and I'm going to type it. And now I know I'm making the number 3, so everything on this screen should be 3. So I'm going to type in the number 3, just like that. Then you can do whatever order you want to. I'm just going to go down to the green next. The green boxes for all of the slides are tally it. So you have 2 choices for your tallies. You either have a single tally that you can drag down, or you have a bundle of 5. Now I know 3 is less than 5, so I need to do my single tallies. I'm going to drag 3 of my tallies down into the box. And there I made 3 with tally marks. The blue box says find it. All I have to do is take my yellow highlighter circle and put it on top of the digit 3. Are you noticing that everything I'm doing is matching my number 3? That's what you need to do on your slides. For my orange pentagon, I'm going to be making it. I have this bear here, and I'm going to be pulling 3 bears into the pentagon to show 3. Over on the yellow, it says spell it. Now you might not remember how to spell the number, which is why I put it up here for you. So all you have to do is double click, just like we did before, 2 clicks, and then you're going to use your keyboard to type the number. This number is spelled T-H-R-E-E. And then the final thing is build it with your tens frames. You're going to take this red dot over here and you're going to build the number that you have. And I know my number is 3, so I'm going to be filling in 3 spaces of my tens frame. Then after you're done, you're going to go over here to the left and go to the next one. And that's it. Make sure you turn it in when you're finished.